Hey YouTube, welcome to another video from SkinnyMedic. So, I don't necessarily have a truck gun because I just don't want to keep a gun in my truck all the time. I'm afraid it gets stolen. Been there, done that before. So, the idea of having a gun in a backpack though, I like that a lot. For me, thinking about different levels of protection, maybe it's something you carry your EDC. So you've got your pistol that you carry as your everyday carry. Hopefully you're carrying medical every day. Then you upgrade. Maybe you have a backpack. Like, all right, this is the next level of protection for me. And then protection on top of that is my truck. I carry a lot of crap in here. I do carry a lot of crap. But it's a lot of stuff that I'm like, hey, I have that. I'm gonna need it. So my backpack, I like this because I can go to my local coffee shop. Boom, they have no idea. We went car shopping recently in Atlanta, Georgia, which is a couple hours from here. A lot of civil unrest in Atlanta, Georgia right now. So I was able to throw this in the truck. No one thinks anything about it, having this. But what they don't know is I have an AR-15 in here. And the reason why I'm going to show you this one in particular is because the stern defense adapter here. So we'll talk about that in a few minutes. But this takes a regular AR-15 lower. You put the stern defense adapter in here. Now it takes Glock mags, which is the one we particularly got. And we're using stern defense is 9mm upper here. So we have a 4.5-inch barrel. Man, it's fantastic. So we'll give you a closer view of everything here in just a few minutes. But this is ready to go, minus the magazine. So we'll start our way from the front and work our way backwards here. We have an Olight Valkyrie here. It's a nice flashlight. Also works as a hand stop for me because this is a shorter barrel. I can put my hand up and it's a hand stop, keep my hand from going in front of the barrel, which is never a good thing. We did run some backup sights here. We have the Magpul flip-up sights that are our backup sights. As our primary optic, we're running a primary arms. Man, this glass is super sweet. This one has the reticle that's illuminated as well, but also has the etched reticle, so if your batteries die, it's still there. But for what we're using it here on a 9mm upper, I really like it. We went with the Law Tactical folder, so makes it nice and compact, able to fit into the backpack like we were looking for. And then we have the SB Tactical folder here, and we run an SOE 1-point sling here. So the stern defense adapter here goes up into your standard mag well, locks into place. You have set screws that lock it down, and it's secured. So this button no longer works. To release the magazine is this button here now. So I'm not going to show you stuff because of YouTube's guidelines, but pretty cool. We used the PSA lower here, then built out the rest of it. We also did the stern defense trigger in this one. Forgot to mention that while we were walking through it. This is the flat trigger. Yeah, I really have gotten to love flat triggers. If you want to see a good torture test of this adapter, go take a look at Eric and Chad's video at Iraq Veteran 88. I'll put a link in the top here for their video if you want to take a look at it.
Thank you, Stern Defense, for sending us the adapter, the upper, and the trigger.
So thank you guys for watching. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember the right gear and the right training.